Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be talking about how we predict Bitcoin's value will drop to $10,000 next month. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video to know why you should sell your Bitcoin now and get Bitcoin price predictions you might find surprising. As we all know, Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency that exists today. This crypto currently has a bullish run that no other financial asset has ever come close to. However, this sadly means that the coin is tilting towards an overbought position. Bitcoin has in recent times spiked to an all-time high. Right at its peak lies a bull trap that technically always precedes a significant downtime. The thriving crypto faces potential rejections in its high zones. Bitcoin will likely come up with more bearishness, especially as Bitcoin is still trading in highly overbought conditions. As Bitcoin rises with such a price action, its bearish pace will increase and point to much lower values, which should not be ignored, and as traders, we should prepare for this scenario properly. What's alarming is that Bitcoin's price is at risk of falling to $6,000 after it experiences a 14% price drop. The prediction came after the brutal rejection of $10,500 on June 2nd. Initially on March 12th, Bitcoin's price increased by nearly 180% in less than 3 months, as it peaked at $10,440. The increasing vulnerability of Bitcoin's short-term price trend, rising volatility, and the triple top formation on the daily chart of Bitcoin are the main factors that can cause the drop. The triple top formation stands for Bitcoin's consecutive 3 attempts in the past 8 months to break above $10,500. In October 2019, February 2020, and in May of the same year, when Bitcoin rose to $10,560, $10,549, and $10,440 respectively. The same thing happened. In the weeks that succeeded these, Bitcoin's price dropped drastically by at least 30% from the local highs. There's been an increasing difficulty in mining Bitcoin as there are fewer miners on the mining network. The August 2020 candle closed above $11,500 for the first time since it hit high in 2017. It's expected that the price of Bitcoin will drop to as low as the $11,000 support area. A drop below $10,500 and a consolidation under it would raise the chances of a bearish trend. This is because the close to $19,000 is deemed unsustainable, and as it's seen in recent weeks, a significant drop-off is not far along. Technically, if Bitcoin remains stable above $11,700, traders say it raises a rally chance. However, if Bitcoin remains below $11,000 for a prolonged period, it might indicate a bearish pullback. Bitcoin's trend remains uncertain. As for either direction to be confirmed, Bitcoin would first have to close above $11,700 or below $11,000 to reveal exactly bearish or bullish scenarios. Before the rapid price decline of Bitcoin on September 2nd, longtime bulls predicted a sharp pullback. In the past 5 days, Bitcoin's price rose by nearly 8% against the US dollar. Some traders perceive $10,500 as the vital support for the continuation of a bullish trend. Many traders perceive $10,500 to $11,000 as an essential support range. Losing the support range could trigger a deep pullback. Bitcoin has rallied to gain nearly 5% in as many hours, narrowly avoiding posting 7 consecutive red daily candles for the 6th time ever. The last time that Bitcoin posted 7 daily red candles in a row was heading into the start of August 2018. Is there a possibility that Bitcoin rises? Several potential boosts could reinforce the momentum of Bitcoin. Multiple indicators have recognized a positive trend for Bitcoin in the medium term. Factors such as hodling activity, net unrealized profit and loss, declining exchange reserves, and growing institutional demand support Bitcoin's bullish case in the longer term. The common factor that would affect Bitcoin's price throughout the fourth quarter is the performance of the US dollar index. The bullish condition for Bitcoin in short to medium term is a continuous increase towards an all-time high. Although Bitcoin has been stagnant from September to October, data shows that every single monthly candle for September since 2017 has closed as a red candle. 2017 showed a remarkable increase in the price of Bitcoin to $20,000. Bitcoin's monthly candle in September 2017 closed as red, but the bullish trend continued nonetheless in the fourth quarter of the year. Bitcoin moved down to $10,333 on Sunday, September 13th. and attained a short red candle form following rejection at the lower end of the $10,700 to $10,600 resistance zone. The coin found support at the 100-day EMA, but broke its 4-day-long winning streak. On September 14, 2020, the BTC-USD pair saw a sudden spike in demand and rose to $10,761, thereby breaking above the resistance area on the monthly time frame. It ended the session at $10,667, or 3.2% higher than the 13th of the same month. Many traders seem cautiously optimistic about the short and medium-term trend of Bitcoin. Currently, the dollar gain in Bitcoin's market cap for each dollar invested this cycle has outpaced the 2013 and 2017 bull runs. Although periods of consolidation and pullbacks to retest underlying support are critically important to sustaining an uptrend strength. If Bitcoin truly is in a bull market, investors will view major and minor pullbacks as purchasing opportunities. Clear evidence of this can be seen in the daily chart, which shows traders buying into every significant dip since mid-October. More so if the price of Bitcoin cannot sustain the $19,200 mark and it declines below $19,000, analysts have decried the Volume Profile Visible Range, or VPVR, to be capable of providing support at $18,650. Also below this at $17,800. $17,800 is also aligned with the 20-day moving average, a metric that has been consistent since the uptrend started on October 7th, when Bitcoin price traded for $10,600. Alternatively, a potential bearish divergence could be hinting at a reversal in the shorter term. You don't want to be caught napping. In the likelihood that Bitcoin price takes a bearish turn by dropping from the current range and it loses the $17,800 support at the 20 MA, the possibility of a retest of the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement at $16,100 is possible. Technical analysts also demonstrated that the VPVR on the daily time frame also shows interest around $15,700. But as mentioned earlier, the price has respected the 20 MA since early October. Bitcoin rose above the $18,000 price level not long ago, but warning signs indicated that daily active addresses on the network were not keeping up with the surging price and that a correction would be swift. A bearish divergence also formed. It's unclear how long retail and institutional investors will continue to demonstrate a strong interest in buying significant dips. As a result, it seems unlikely that this trend will continue if Bitcoin loses the current range. There are so many reasons for this, such as there being too many exchanges with too thin volume and too many arbitrage opportunities. Why you should sell your Bitcoin now. It is a risky business to want to wait for the price of Bitcoin to be stable. Following one of the fundamental trading principles, you need to sell it for more than you bought it to make a profitable investment. As Bitcoin hits its highs on the charts, every investor has their own all-time high price. This price is levels higher than when the holder bought the Bitcoin. When this price is achieved, there can be no better time to sell the coin. How do you know this? The best thing to do is set a target. Prep your mind that if the market attains a specific high, you must sell. Or if there's a predictive fall in Bitcoin's price, you can quickly sell it off. In most digital currency exchanges, you can also set up stop-loss alerts, so you always know when your investment has reached your goal. Diversify your portfolio. Take it as a sign it's time to sell your Bitcoin and get out from those exchanges. With the predicted fall of Bitcoin to the $10,000 range, the price would plummet if everyone started to sell. There's no global right time to trade Bitcoin, so no one can tell you when to sell precisely. This is how the market works. The all-time high may not come when you think it will, and you'll lose out when the Bitcoin price slips again. So keep an eye out for important stories regarding fundamentals. It may include changes in hash rate, new regulations, new mining operations coming online, reports from institutional investors, etc. This is good stuff. How to sell your Bitcoin. Bitcoin traders like to use semi-regulated or unregulated exchanges like Binance and BitMEX. These are relatively reasonable choices for exchanging coins or taking leveraged positions. You can also consider selling your Bitcoin via a regulated exchange. Coinbase and Kraken are excellent, as they have a long history of providing exemplary service to their traders. They will be much less likely to tamper with your banking information. You can sell your Bitcoin for USD or another government currency and then transfer it to your bank account. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. What other trending Bitcoin news would you like us to talk about? Leave your comments below. Be sure to check out some of our other great videos. See you next time.